Hello everybody, I hope this finds you well and thank you for taking the time to listen to my weekly video. I'll talk as I usually do about the COVID numbers, and I'm also going to take a few minutes just to say a few words about Hakim BenYounes because we plan to remember him in a memorial service tomorrow. The numbers, first of all, then, in terms of new cases, yesterday 328 new cases reported, and it has kind of hovered around 200 to 300 new cases over recent days. Inpatients suffering from COVID across the 3 hospitals just now are at 95. 6 patients sadly are in ICU and 5 patients on CPAP. Care home outbreaks sitting at 7, and we're doing really well with our booster doses around the vaccination programme. That is continuing apace and will be ramped up further this weekend as we move forward with that. So those are the numbers at the moment. Again, please do encourage people, if they receive invites for their vaccination, please encourage them to come forward and have that. And if you're thinking about whether you're going to have your own COVID booster and flu, again, I would encourage you to go ahead and do that. I wanted to say a few words about Hakim BenYounes this week. Tomorrow is a very special day for us because we have a memorial service for Hakim. I first met Hakim in my role as Regional Planning Director when I was working with him around cancer services and their provision across the region. He was passionate about data and about improvement, and he was very much a people person, very much worked with people to improve services for patients, and he would always take that little bit of extra time to speak to patients and their relatives. He was a very, very good communicator. He was a very friendly and welcoming person, and when I got the job to come to Lanarkshire as Director of Acute Services, I can remember going to Wishaw for the first time, and I had this huge Hakim welcome, and he took me all the way around the whole hospital, and he seemed to know absolutely everybody. He was a people person, and that generosity of spirit pervaded everything he did at Wishaw, and I really think that that will be his legacy going forward. As I said, he was passionate about education and improvement, and I think it's only fitting that tomorrow what we will do is we'll actually dedicate the lecture theatre within Wishaw to Hakim, so it'll be known as the Hakim BenYounes Lecture Theatre within the Ronald Miller Centre on the Wishaw site. So I think that's very fitting, and I'll be pleased to be at the service tomorrow and to remember him with colleagues.